Came here for a tune-up, but the furnace is not working. It's giving a code 11, which 11, rouge. Let's just look at the English version. Limit switch open, blower failure. And we're going to test the blower first, just to see if it turns on. Seven amps. Alright, let's check furnace cycle. So white to red. Blower's pulling 8.3, or sorry, 8.5, but it's not running. Alright, let's open this up. Yeah, that thing's burning hot. It's spinning freely though. Let's check this. Yeah, capacitor's bad. There you go. Easy peasy. There's one issue.